Hi, this is Chris with EnvisionTEC, and today we're going to be highlighting the use of our advanced DLP 3D printers for the fabrication of implant applications. The EnvisionTEC Vida can be used for the direct 3D printing of biocompatible surgical drill guides and temporary restorations. E-Guide Tint is an FDA-approved material for the direct printing of surgical templates. We also have a number of clear biocompatible materials if a perfectly transparent surgical guide is desired. We currently have 4 shades of temporary crowns that are FDA approved for up to 1 year in the mouth, so it is feasible for the implantologist to use the printer for all of their treatment needs. The printers can also be used by laboratories for fabricating implant models with gingival masks and even FDA approved immediate dentures. Our machines are compatible with all the leading software systems such as 3Shape, Exocad, and Blue Sky Bio. The EnvisionTEC Vida has met all FDA and ISO requirements for implant applications, making the Vida the all-in-one tool for any implantologist looking to offer best-in-class 3D printed appliances.